Hey guys, I'm back. Here's another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created this French aura airbrush set with 3D flowers. It was so fun and came out so cute, and I also had to custom mix some colors, so I'm excited to show you guys. I'm just going in with a natural long square, and my customer sent me her sizes, so I sized them all out, prepped them, and now I'm gonna go in with my base coat. I'm using the color Ciao by Igel Beauty, and I'm gonna do 3 coats of that, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I guess I didn't show exactly what they look like, but I will in a minute. So those are the 3 colors I'm gonna go ahead and mix to make that yellow that my customer wanted for her French. So I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch that. And then again, I'm sorry about the audio in the very beginning. I had some fans on, so it kind of sounded like, I don't know, loud. So yeah, I turned those off. Okay, so this was the color I started with, but then when I started to like draw it on, it was a little too yellow, so I added a little bit more white off camera, so you guys will like kind of see the color difference when I draw the French. And then I'm just wiping off that tacky layer. That's what I've been loving to do when I do my Frenches. I just feel like it helps me make a French a lot cleaner, more crisp. It really helps me out. So if you're struggling with Frenchies, I would definitely try wiping them off with alcohol to get rid of that sticky layer and working on more of like a matte base. Definitely try that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in and do my Frenchies. I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I will be back when it's time to airbrush. So now that my French is done, I'm gonna go in with this color for my airbrush. I like to just mix gel polish with acetone. I know a lot of people say not to do that, but that's how I've been airbrushing since I started, and I am just so comfortable with that. I also have like a ventilation system. I wear gloves, I wear a mask, like I take all of the precautions. And I don't know if you guys can see, but underneath my desk right there, I also have another vent, so I like make sure it's well ventilated. I definitely take precaution. I've been doing press-ons for almost 4 years now, and using just the airbrush to like ombre and aura and everything, and everything has been great. I've used the same airbrush as well. I'll definitely have that linked in my Amazon storefront. I believe I already have it linked. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right here. You just go in with however many layers you feel it needs. That's what I'm doing. I just go back and forth. I make sure I cure in between layers to make sure every time the layer gets darker and darker. If you want me to do like an in-depth airbrush video updated, because I haven't done one in a while, let me know down below, because I have learned a lot of things and I am really missing airbrush. So I'm gonna start doing like a whole bunch of ombre sets, so I'm actually really excited for that. But if you guys want to see like how I clean my airbrush, how to use an airbrush, like all of that stuff, definitely let me know down below, and I will make a video on that, because it is a lot of trial and error, but I do have some pretty good tips for you guys. So now that I'm done with the airbrush, I'm gonna go ahead and top coat those. I like to top coat because I feel like it protects the airbrush, but I kind of forgot that I was doing the 3D, so I probably should have just did the 3D and then top coated, but I went in backwards. I top coated, then I did the 3D, then I top coated over the 3D lines. So I kind of like went backwards, but it all worked out in the end and they came out super cute. Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I did the 3D lines. I definitely want to practice them more. I haven't really done them that much, so it's kind of intimidating because I feel like when you go off of like a picture someone sends you and then you're making them, it makes it like so much harder because you want them to be exact. But I'm kind of like taking a deep breath and just making them and just letting the brush flow. So that's what I did with these, and they came out really cute actually. Okay, so now that I showed you guys how I did the 3D lines, I'm gonna go in and show you guys how I did the 3D flowers. I'm using this gel. It's awesome. Like, you only need a little bit and it does not stick to your gloves or your hand or anything. It just sticks to the nail and that's it. And I did top coat this nail before I added these and everything went perfect. So I mean, I don't know if you have to top coat. I top coat the flower again when I'm done, but I did just, you know, top coat the nude color. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in and create the little beads for my petals, and then I'm just gonna lay them in. The flowers that were on the inspo picture only had 4 petals, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch my process, and then I will be back. And just like that, we have a flower. These are so cute and so easy. I'm so excited, honestly, that people are starting to do gel flowers. I'm going to use this color to use the pink, but back to what I was just saying, I have been doing gel flowers for I don't know how long now, but normally it was colored flowers. Now everybody's doing like the clear flowers and they're, you know, painting them how they want, but I really love the colored gels to make flowers. That's what I used to do a long time ago. And I mean, I say a long time ago because I had a baby, and I mean, I have 4 kids. So I had a baby recently and she's 1 now. So now she's finally on a really good schedule. So I'm back to working like I used to work. It's crazy how much time like you have to put into your business, your family, your house, your everything. And I got super overwhelmed for a while. So I just like completely stopped everything. But I truly feel like that was the break that I needed, because now that I'm back and now that all of my kids are on track and they're going back to school next week, I feel like I can make so many videos. I have so much content for you guys. I already have like 4 more videos ready to go. So I'm super excited about this next stage in my life, this next, like the rest of this year, just to like give you guys content, teach you guys what I know, show you guys, answer questions, anything you guys need. I really would love to help. So yeah, I want you guys to follow my journey. I'm excited to be back doing press-ons. I did take a break to raise my family and kind of take the summer off and just be with my kids. And it was amazing. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it was so amazing. So now I'm ready to get back to work, have my kids at school. My baby is finally on a very good schedule to where she naps at the same time every day, goes to bed at the same time every day. I wake up super early so that I can work or do whatever I need to do in order to prep for my day. And lately it has been working out so amazing. And I've been getting done at least 1 set a day, which is awesome for me because I'm also recording it. So I'm trying to push out content like that, like daily. So yeah, if you guys are following, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Definitely follow my Instagram as well. I post a lot of fun reels on there, and it's also the Gems Co. So yeah, I'm just putting in these little caviar beads. I think these like make the flower. I think they're so cute. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for the rest of the flower. Then I'm gonna go ahead and top coat it, and that is really it. That's the end of the video. I hope I was able to show you guys something, teach you guys something. Definitely let me know what you guys want to see next. I do have some fun abstract nails coming up, and then an ombre set, so I'm excited to show you guys that. And then yeah, I'm going to show you guys what these look like all packed up. These are 1 of 2 from what my customer ordered, so I definitely have that set coming as well. And it is a stiletto, I think it's stiletto or almond, and it also has 3D flowers and Frenchies, and I think it has other 3D stuff, so it's super fun. I'm excited to show you guys those. These are some of the pictures that I took just to show you guys up close what the flowers look like. They came out so cute. So yeah, this is what the set looked like. I'm so excited. If you guys do follow my Instagram, you will probably see what my customer looks like with them on. She definitely always sends me pictures, so I'll be posting. So yeah, definitely subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.